Alright guys, so I want to do a review on this ECOVAC. This is the T10 robot vacuum, and this pretty much does it all. It does mopping, it does vacuuming, it's got a smart map out, it's got a camera on the front, which is pretty cool. But right here, you got your dirty water, clean water, you got a little tool thing right in the middle, touch buttons right there. Right here is where it empties when it vacuums. Voice activated. Pretty cool. Okay, Eco.
I'm here.
Start mopping.
Okay, start cleaning.
So right now it's filling up with water, cleaning the mop heads. I've already mapped out my whole basement here, so it already knows the routine. But pretty cool. You guys can see the mop heads right there in the back. Got one on both sides. It's got sensors all the way around. Vacuuming and mopping right now. You can adjust the intensity of the mopping, how much water you want it to use, and then for the vacuuming, how high you want the suction to be for the vacuuming. But I've been real happy with it. I've been doing a good job. I got on a schedule to clean the basement floor, usually twice a week. And it does a pretty good job, self-sufficient. Like I said, pretty much empties itself. So pretty cool. As you guys can see, it literally worked its way around my chair, my desk chair there. It's going over into that corner. But actually does a pretty good job once you get the mapping down and everything, of staying close to the edges and stuff like that. And then once it's done, it'll go ahead, clean the mop heads, dump the water, and then refill with more water. If you got a bigger area, it'll actually do that in between the cleaning. You can sense when the mop heads are actually dirty. And then it'll go back to its home and it will clean the mop heads and then pick up where it left off. A lot of the ECOVAC robots have the same features. So even if you can't find this T10, their other models have these same features. So it's pretty cool because right on the front there, it's got a camera, and through the app you can actually view that camera. So you could actually use this as a secondary security camera when you're not home. But it also helps to map out and do object avoidance. App works really good. Haven't had an issue with the app. But really happy with the DEEBOT T10 here.
Power on. Power off.
Okay, Eco.
I'm here.
Go home. Voice commands worked real well. You just gotta learn them.
Start charging.
Okay, so there you go, quick rundown. Right there you can hear it. It's sucking out the water, putting it into the dirty container in here. So it's putting all the dirty water in this container, and then this is the clean water, and then it's cleaning the mops too. So pretty cool. Definitely worth the investment.